10 lines on Guru Gobind Singh. 1. Guru Gobind Singh Ji was 10th and the last Guru of Sikh religion. Two. His initial name was Guru Gobind Rai. 3. Guru Gobind Singh was born to father Guru Tegh Bahadur and mother Mata Gujri. 4. Guru Gobind Singh spent his first 4 years in Patna and returned to the home in Punjab. 5. Guru Gobind Singh wrote books like Chandi da War in Punjabi, which signifies the victory of good over evil. 6. Guru Gobind Singh was appointed as 10th Sikh Guru when he was only 9 years old. 7. He founded the Sikh warrior community in 1699 known as Khalsa. 8. He was a great poet, philosopher, and warrior. 9. Guru Gobind Singh had faith in Dharma Yudh. 10. He was died on 7th October 1708 at Nanded in Maharashtra. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel.